going to be the first video of the E30 S54 Swap, and yeah, I'm just going to give a little rundown of the engine and what I'm going to be doing and all that good stuff. So hope you all enjoy. I'm going to be making videos throughout the whole process, start to finish. It's going to be going in a 1986 325i sedan. And yeah, man, we're gonna do it right. It's really gonna be something. So I hope that y'all follow along throughout the process. Maybe learn a little something, and maybe give you some insight if you're looking to get into the same project as I am. So here we go. Here is the S54. Beautiful engine. It's got 120,000 miles on it, and this thing's clean. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but minimal wear, no oil leaks. It's been sitting for a while, but as you can see, oil looks good. This is coming out of a 2002 E36 convertible SMG. I'm going to be parting the car out, so I'm just going to be taking the parts off of this that I need, and going from there. So, but yeah, there's the engine, and in the in the upcoming videos, you'll see the process in what I'll be doing in removing this engine and prepping it to drop into the E30. You'll be seeing the E30 I will be dropping it into, and yeah, there's a lot that goes involved in these swaps. This is going to be the first one that I'm doing. I'm going to be doing it all myself, and I have I'm lucky to have the resources to be able to do it, and I'm lucky to have a great engine to be able to do it with. So, it's possible I might do a few modifications to the engine, like the cams, maybe, this air box right here is going to be modified by Castle Performance, and Castle Performance is also going to be making the wiring harness and a lot of the computer systems and everything like that. But yeah, so here's the engine, and yeah, hopefully y'all follow along and enjoy the process as I do.